Hello viewers, welcome to Shaker's India Auto Insider. The Skoda Kushaq, one of the most anticipated cars of the year, breaks cover in India. Also, it marks 20 years of Skoda in the country. We first got a glimpse of the car last year but with a different name, the Vision IN. As a part of Volkswagen's India 2.0 campaign, the Skoda Kushaq comes forth as a silhouette design in India for India yet with global appeal. For those of you wondering, the word Kushaq derives from the ancient Indian language Sanskrit. It actually translates to king or emperor. Here's everything you need to know about the new Skoda Kushaq. Let's start off with the optics. Evidently, the Kushaq is sporty and handsome. The exterior design of the production spec Skoda Kushaq remains quite similar to the Vision IN concept. Up front, it features a prominent and wide Skoda grille flanked by dual headlight setup. The Kushaq's front bumper has a plenty of cuts and creases which makes it look sporty. Along the sides, there is a bold character line, along with the body cladding on the lower parts of the door and around the wheel wells. Top spec versions also get roof rails and the 17-inch diamond cut dual tone alloys, which look sportier as well. The Kushaq is 4225mm long, 1760mm wide and has a height of 1612mm. It also has a ground clearance of 188mm and a wheelbase that is 2651mm long. Skoda says out of the three trims available with Kushaq, only the top spec style variant will get the 17-inch alloy wheels, while the entry-level active variant will get 16-inch steel wheels with covers, and the mid-spec ambition trim will get a 16-inch alloy wheels. At the rear, the production spec Kushaq gets a roof spoiler and a fax diffuser element that's finished in silver. There are also wraparound LED tail lights that add to the sense of width of the SUV. Overall, the Kushaq looks similar to the larger Skoda SUVs such as Kodiaq and Karoq. The car has got a boot space of 385 liters that can be expanded up to 1405 liters when rear seats are folded. As usual, we have got the 60-40 split seats. From outside, the car looks very impressive and sporty. We can expect a lot of competition in the segment now. Moving on to the interiors, the steering wheel of Kushaq is a two-spoke unit, in line with the new Skoda models like the Superb and upcoming Octavia. The steering wheel features scroll wheels and buttons for audio and phone controls, voice commands and cruise control. You can see a wide sunroof, which has become a common feature nowadays in the SUVs. The Kushaq gets a layered dashboard with a thin chrome bar that separates the top from the bottom. The chrome bar spans the length of the dash and connects the large chrome-lined vents at each end. A freestanding 10-inch touchscreen which will feature smartphone connectivity, connected car technology and more takes center stage. The central AC vents are positioned below the touchscreen, under which a feather touch HVAC controls are made available. You've got two C-type charging ports and a wireless charging unit underneath. The Kushaq comes with the traditional dials for instrumentation and does not come with a digital display, which may disappoint you when you compare this car with its competitors. Safety features on the top spec Kushaq will include 6 airbags, ISOFIX child seat mounts, auto headlamps, wipers and a multi-collision braking system. There are also twin cup holders, a center armrest and multiple storage areas in the cabin. The rear cabin looks to be well designed with a comfortable seating position for the rear occupants too. You've got the rear AC vents and the charging ports at the bottom. From inside too, the automaker has made sure to get all the checkboxes ticked to make the car a complete one. The Skoda Kushaq comes with two engine options, a 1.0 liter 3-cylinder turbo petrol and a 1.5 liter 4-cylinder turbo petrol. Due to 95% localization of parts, expect the Skoda Kushaq to be priced comparatively in the range of Rs 10 to 16 lakhs. Skoda is expected to announce prices for Kushaq in the coming weeks. So what is your first opinion on the car? Do let us know your views on the comment section below. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.